Problem 1a is asking us to graph the rational function that has the given properties and write a potential equation for it. It says I have a hole at x equals 5. I'll put that hole into the graph once I have it. I'm going to put that into my equation right now so I don't forget about it. I have vertical asymptotes at x equals 3. That means I have x minus 3 in my equation. Another vertical asymptote at x equals negative 2. That's an x plus 2 in my equation. I have an x-intercept at 1 and an x-intercept at negative 4. That's going to be an x minus 1 and an x plus 4 in my equation. And a horizontal asymptote of negative 3/2. And I can just put negative 3/2 in front of my equation. Now I just have to graph the behaviors of the equation. Because it's odd and negative, I know that the ends are going to look something like this. And then I can plug in some values to figure out what's going to happen in my middle section. I already know that I have this x-intercept at 1, so maybe I just plug in negative 1 and see what happens. So when I plug in negative 1, I get negative 3 over 2. That stays the same. Negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. Negative 1 minus 5 is a negative 6, and that cancels out. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4, and negative 1 plus 2 is 1. That gives me negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 times 3 is 18. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. That's going to give me about negative 2 1/4. Well, knowing these 2 points, I can say that my graph is going to look like that.